Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to unbox the KnitCrate, and I have here the Artisan KnitCrate, and we're gonna take a look and see what's inside. I do want to say sorry for my voice. I have a bit of a cold and I have here my honey, ginger and lemon concoction that really helps. I do recommend it. It's just like simple ginger, lemon, some honey and some hot water, and it's good to have when you have a cold. Do excuse my puzzle. I'm enjoying making a puzzle, and I'll show you which one I'm making. Is the Thomas, I hope it's in focus, Thomas KnitCrate Seaside Heaven. It's been quite a challenge, but I'm quite far away in it, so I'm happy with that. But let's go ahead and get started. So this is the box. This is the KnitCrate box, and we have the usual cardboard box. This is the Artisan. I don't know if I mentioned that in the beginning. And in the Artisan KnitCrate you usually get a beginner and an intermediate to advanced pattern, and we're gonna take a look and see what we have in this one. I don't have my other KnitCrate yet. I'm waiting for it to arrive, so once that's gonna be in my post, then I'm going to film an unboxing for that one. But for the moment, this is the Artisan KnitCrate, and let's go ahead and see what's inside. So you open the box like this. Ooh, I don't want to, you know, spoil it. So anyway, the first thing that you get in the box is a leaflet, and I'm so happy that they started doing leaflets now. Before it was just a card that said the theme of the month, and then on the back of it they will give you the links where you go to download the pattern. But from what I'm seeing here, you get a lot more information, and you even get the pattern. You could also download it free as a PDF on Ravelry, but you get the pattern instructions in this little leaflet, which is so much better. Unfortunately, I can't show you inside because, you know, you would have to get your own KnitCrate in order to get the patterns. But I'm going to read to you the what do they call it? The theme for the month. It's called Indigo Glow, and this is for August 2018. Dive into a palette of cool hues and explore the deep saturated tones of this month's theme. Inspired by the rich colors of one of history's most sought after natural pigments, we asked our dyers and designer to draw inspiration from saturated shibori textiles, rippling ocean waves, and water-worn stones and seashells. And this is what it looks like, the leaflet. And inside you get, oh, I love this. So the yarn dye for this month is called Dragonfly Fibers, and they give a little bit of who they are, and you can go and check their Instagram at Dragonfly Fibers, or their website at www.dragonflyfibers.com, and you also get 10% off discount with the code, and 2 patterns. And the first pattern is oh, this is a bit of a bummer because I can't really show you the pattern without showing you the information for it. That, you know, anyway, here we go. So the first pattern here is called Chain Reaction, and the other one is Be the Change, and I believe this is the beginners and this is the intermediate. I will try to see if I can do close-ups of the pictures, or check the description down below and I'll link the Ravelry, and you'll see a lot more picture there on Ravelry. And then you see on the next page you get the actually, oh no, they're both knit. Then you get the pattern, so the first pattern and the second pattern. It doesn't say, yeah. So the Chain Reaction pattern is more like a beginner friendly, and then Be the Change, which is more like a shawl, is for more advanced because it's like some combination with yarn overs and stuff. So yeah, you get the leaflet and then you get the yarn. Are you ready for this? Oh, this yarn is just amazing. Here we go. Oh, it's so beautiful. And it's got, I don't know if you can see, I will try to do close-ups of them. But they are, let's tell you about this. So each skein is unique because it's individually dyed, and you get 430 yards of superwash merino, and they say you should knit them with US 3 to 5 needles. So it's just superwash merino, 430 yards per skein. Oh, I didn't tell you the dragonfly fibers, and this is in the color Metamorphosis. I hope I say that right, Metamorphosis. But here you go. That's the fibers. So you get 2 skeins, 2 patterns, and in this month, in the Artisan KnitCrate, you always get an extra. So sometimes you would get, like last Artisan KnitCrate, we got like a bottle cooling. It was called a koozie. It's kind of like a sleeve that you can hold your hot drink or your cold drink, and it keeps it cool. And in this month we got a bag, which is very handy for all those people that like to go shopping and don't do home delivery for food. So it just has the like a KnitCrate logo. I do wish this was in the KnitCrate colors, like the turquoise greeny blue, but it's still beautiful. It's just a blue tote. Very happy with that. You can keep your knitting projects in here, you can go shopping with it, you can do whatever you want. So this is what you get in it. So you get the wool, you get the patterns, and you get the extra, which this month was a bag. And what I didn't tell you, and I'm not sure they still have it on, the retail value and how much you pay for it. They don't have it anymore. Okay, well, I guess I will have to check the yarn dyer and see how much they charge for each skein. But usually with KnitCrate, and I've been with them for like 7 months now, I think. I've been buying I've been, you know, subscribed to their KnitCrate, and usually you get 2 for the price of 1. So that's how it works. In the Artisan KnitCrate, you get 2 patterns plus 2 luxury yarns, and these are definitely luxury yarns. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but they are 1 ply. Yeah, I didn't tell you about that. They're 1 ply, and they have different colors. So they've got like blues, they've got purples, pinks, and a bit of gray. But yeah, that's the Artisan KnitCrate for August 2018. And please check the description for all the information, where you can buy it, if you want to buy the yarn, or if you want to subscribe to one of their KnitCrates, which I definitely recommend, because I've been subscribed with, and as you can see here, I don't know if it's in the camera, but I have a whole drawer of KnitCrate yarns that are waiting for me to work with them, and I'm really enjoying this. But yeah, stay tuned for my next video, which will be like something like what I'm knitting in the moment and what I've been. Just look out for my next video and you'll see it. It's quite exciting. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.